Looking for someone to hold, to comfort the pain inside. You're not alone, and it's up to me to let you know. We were young, I could never let you go. Can't we give it one more try? Stay where you are, I'll be there to get you. 'Cause girl, I'm on my way back to you. Stay where you are, I don't want to lose it. If there's a lesson to be learned, I'll learn it. If there's a bridge to be burned, I'll burn it down. If there's a key to this heart, let's turn it around. Just stay where you are. Every time I think of the dreams we shared, the moments that touched my heart, I know that the feeling is there. We're still alive, and I know that we can make it right. One more time, I wanna take you in my arms. I've got to be with you tonight. Stay where you are, I'll be there to get you. 'Cause girl, I'm on my way back to you. Stay where you are, I don't want to lose it. If there's a lesson to be learned, I'll learn it. If there's a bridge to be burned, I'm gonna burn it down. If there's a key to this heart, let's turn it around. There's nothing to say. The words have all been said before. Oh, now there's only love. Only love can make you stay where you
I'm back for my love.
If there's a lesson, I'm gonna learn it. If there's a bridge, I'm gonna burn it down. If there's a key, let's turn it around. Just stay where you are. Just
Chuck, things could be a lot worse. Giving you a nice room here. Lots of gadgets. Flashing lights. According to this, it says you're alive. I know for a fact you've slept in worse places. Reminds me, talking about sleeping. Remember about 7 years ago? I think it was, where was it? It was Tangier. Yeah. And you disappeared for a while. Then you came back and you had with you this big...
Hey, how is he?
Well, I've told him every bad Irish joke I know. He hasn't stopped me once.
Still nothing, then?
Tip said he woke earlier and asked if we got the note.
Oh, yeah. Did you find anything about Desiree?
No. How's Robin?
She's all right. She really hates that police escort.
It's a necessary evil as long as that woman's roaming around out there.
Maybe none of this would have happened if he just told us about Face On.
He'll tell us when he comes out of it.
Face On. Or she just disappear.
He will. Soon. Very, very soon. She has to love you.
Bacon.
Hey, honey, we got new bacon, we got a new haircut, we got a new baby, and you ought to be back in bed. What are you doing?
It's the middle of the morning, and I'm starving. And besides, I'm eating for two now, remember?
Well, you always have, honey. Now, come on, back in bed. Let's go.
Well, when do you expect me to get out of bed?
Don't argue with me. This isn't good for the baby. This kind of
Oh,
arguing.
no, you're not going to be one of those stereotypical fathers-to-be who's always treating his expectant wife like she's made out of glass, are you?
In your case, sweetheart, China.
Being pregnant is a perfectly normal condition.
Pregnant. We're pregnant.
Well, if they're pregnant, how come I'm the one with the belly?
Hey, when do we get to feel some movement, you know? When can we tell it's
I
kicking
already
around?
started feeling it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
This whole process is amazing to me.
You know when I think this all happened?
What?
You know, when I conceived. I think it happened when we came back from Paris.
Oh, yeah. Like, I remember that. We've been apart for so long, and you couldn't keep your hands off me?
No, I couldn't. Dad.